Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the MixerBox ChatVideo ChatGPT plugin that you can use to summarize YouTube videos or get other information related to a certain YouTube video. Right before I would show you how to use the MixerBox ChatVideo ChatGPT plugin with the real example, I just want to let you know that I have a full tutorial on this ChatGPT plugin, and I also share some of the best use cases for the MixerBox ChatVideo ChatGPT plugin, and I also share some ChatGPT plugin prompts you can use the MixerBox ChatVideo plugin with if you want to interact with the plugin. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use the MixerBox ChatVideo ChatGPT plugin. So before you would be able to interact with the plugin, you have to make sure that you have enabled the plugins feature in your ChatGPT account. And to be able to enable and use plugins, you have to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber at the time of recording this video. If you don't know how to do that, how to enable plugins, I have a separate tutorial on my YouTube channel that you can check out. Then you have to click on New Chat on the left here, then select GPT-4 from the model selector. Then you have to select plugins from the dropdown, and you have to install the MixerBox ChatVideo ChatGPT plugin. So you can scroll down on this list, click on Plugin Store, and install the MixerBox ChatVideo ChatGPT plugin. And last but not least, you also have to enable the plugin, and you can enable any plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Alright, so to be able to interact with YouTube videos using the MixerBox ChatVideo ChatGPT plugin, you have to get the URL of the specific video, and you can do that by right-clicking on the video and clicking on Copy Video URL. So in this example, we're going to use the Bitcoin Explained and Made Simple YouTube video by The Guardian, which was published 9 years ago and was watched more than 2.3 million times. So if the plugin is enabled, all we have to do is add our prompt. And this is the prompt we're going to use. Summarize this YouTube video for me. And I have added the URL of the Bitcoin Explained video. And I also want to get the like count and the view count of this video. So this is an added benefit of this ChatVideo ChatGPT plugin, that you can not only get a summary of a YouTube video, but also get certain information about that video. Then all we have to do is click on Send Message here. So as you can see, we don't have to use any kind of function or fancy language. If the plugin is enabled, ChatGPT is clever enough to know that if you want to interact with a YouTube video, it has to use the MixerBox ChatVideo ChatGPT plugin. So it has sent the ID of the video as a request, and based on that request, it has scraped a ton of metadata about the video with the subtitles, with the tags used, and with other information about the video. And based on these subtitles and metadata, it has given us the following response. The video provided is titled Bitcoin Explained and Made Simple. It was published by The Guardian in June 2014. The video has been used 2.3 million times. And if you check this, yes, this is absolutely right. It was viewed more than 2.3 million times. It was published by The Guardian 9 years ago, and this is the title. And besides this basic data, we also get the full summary of this video. So Bitcoin is a digital currency that aims to solve the problems associated with online payments, and we get a nice summary here using the subtitles of the video. So all in all, this is how to use the MixerBox ChatVideo plugin to summarize YouTube videos and get other data about specific YouTube videos. If you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins that can be used for summarizing videos, but also for finance, business, marketing, SEO, cryptocurrency trading, scientific research, and more, I have a ton of YouTube tutorials on ChatGPT plugins on my YouTube channel that you can check out, and more are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.